Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video I will tell you how to fix tagged photos. If you want to not shown to everyone how to fix this problem. So when users are facing the problem on Facebook that tag everyone not showing on the Facebook group, how to fix this problem I will tell you in this video. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. See Road Infinity for more and more informative content. Let's start this video. Guys, first of all, what you need to do, open your Facebook account. So in the Facebook menu you can see the multiple types of options shown here. Simply tap on the setting option. After tap on the setting option, there is option of setting and privacy. So simply tap here and you can scroll down at the bottom, and at the bottom you can see the option of multiple types came out here. So what we need to here, click on the privacy checkup option. Whenever we click on the privacy checkup option, so you can see the multiple types of option came out here. So you can see that that will help to fix the problem. So you can see the option of who can see what you share. Simply tap on this option and then click on the continue option. After clicking on the continue option, click on the next. So here you need to select your privacy of your account. So here are multiple details, so you can check your photos. If you don't if you want to private your tagged photo, so you can simply here. So here is option of privacy, you can see the next. So after clicking here you can change the privacy. So future post stories limits, if you want to future post of tagging, you want to public them, you can simply tap on the private option. Or sorry, if you want to public them, you need to public or click on the public option, or otherwise on the private option. Here is the list of blocking, if you want to unblock anybody. So there are all the setting of the privacy, you can change them according to your will. And hope you like this video and subscribe our channel.